Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. All right, I'm here with a little hair review. I hope this review will be of some sort of help to you. And yeah, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn the post notification bell on. Yeah, and when you hit the bell, make sure to select the all option, because when you don't select all option, you don't get notified every time I post a video. So the package came in this here, and I purchased it from Amazon, and I was displeased with the way how my package arrived to me. To be honest, it was really chamba because I got it like this, practically like this, with a piece of tape which in it like there. I was really displeased when I saw it, but whatever. Yeah, so, and then if you guys don't know, when your things are coming to Jamaica, they open them by customs, and this is done because they need to know what is inside whatever you're sending to Jamaica, what is passing through customs, as well as they need to scan it to make sure that whatever you purchase, it is of the real price for the invoice that you submitted. So yeah, and you know, even though they scan it, you know, because they scan it, they put it through the scanner, just like when you're coming from foreign, your suitcase, they put it through the scanner and they know exactly what is in your stuff, right? So they would have scanned it and know what is inside, but them still need to pull it, feel like be all up in your business. So yeah, it came in this bag, and they consider this to be weighing 2 pounds. Feel it. Feel it. It's not 2 pounds. It's actually a pound and a little, but once it is over 2 pounds, then scan it out anywhere, even my company too. Scan it out for 2 pounds. But yeah. So it came through the express shipment too as well. Mama said there's something I need to pull it. So it would have come in a sealed bag, but as I said, they need to pull it. They need to pull it to see what is inside. So them just ripped this bag, don't care, and they went ahead and pulled this other bag too as well. So if you needed to see exactly how it came, then that would not be happening for this video, because customs already put it already. So I don't remember what's the name of the hair company that I got it from. I don't remember, but it's actually, I hope the information. Oh, I got a crochet needle. I got a crochet needle with some little hair accessories. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ear accessories with a crochet needle. Big up to them, because my crochet needle may have the rusty. So the information for the ear is not in here. I honestly don't remember, but I attach it on the screen, so if anyone was interested to purchasing these here, then you guys can go and get it. So these are actually from CROCHET LOCS. So it's a pack of 6, and they are 24 inches. So I'm really fine too as well. I even know just to find them that way. So it's a pack of 24 inches of locks. It looks like 24 inches. It looks like it. So from my hair, from the back of my head to about where? Oh, it's actually past my bottom. It passed my bottom. So we can show you how. Is that one pass? Alright, let me see. So this is it. People don't mind my clothes messy. actually cake thing. It actually is. See there? Look, let me see. You can't even see there? No, but see there?
Let me say now the below.
So it's actually 24 inches. Yeah, I got the locks. It's not the first I'm gonna wear some locks. I wore these like about 2017 when I was in Atlanta. So the smell for it is like regular brand new hair smell. The pack, it smells really good, and I actually like the quality. The quality is it's done nice, and I like it. It's actually well done. I'm not sure if all 6 packs. I hope all 6 packs can do my hair. If not, if you don't know the trick to doing your hair when the pack is not enough, you do all around here. So close up to the middle and left out the middle. Hopefully that's not what is going to happen. So all of them were 24 inches. So I'm just checking to make sure and to see how the amount looks for the pack. So same size here, as you guys can see there. Pull in this 3rd pack, and it's the same 24 inch as you all can see. So this is the 3rd pack, and knowing myself, this is already a lot of hair on my head, and me not like nothing bother me when me are sleeping on people. So me really hope and trust that it's not uncomfortable. Yeah. 4th pack here. So I'm just checking to make sure that everything is 24 inches, as well as it looks like the entire 6 packs can do my hair. So this one looks short. Actually, it looks the same. It looks shorter at for a minute there. And this is the final pack, which is pack number 6, the 6th pack of CROCHET LOCS. So with all 6 of them together, it is actually a lot of hair. A lot of hair. I don't know how rest of people manage them hair now. Like for me, I don't like a lot of hair in my head for long, so I'm not sure how long. It's actually a lot of hair. Don't you? Eh? Just imagine having this much hair. It doesn't come like a lot of hair, don't you? Like, but in your hand it seems like a lot of hair. Oh my god. I hope the entire 6 pack can do my hair now. Whether or not it better work, because I am pretty sure these are probably going to be expensive in Jamaica, and you're not going to probably get a single pack if it's short. So I probably have to go ahead to buy another pack of like 6, and I don't really want to have a lot of hair on my head. I still don't want to look too thin, so hopefully it will work. Just praying and hoping that it will work. And I would have provide you guys with the information in regards to purchasing these locks. It was 24 with tax. It was $26, and I think a few little cents for the pack of 6 24-inch on Amazon, and I think it worked out to be $4,000 and something because the exchange rate is so high. Yeah, but I think it's fair enough price. And then you know, if you're going to get these installed by someone you know you'll be able to get additional packs. I'd say probably buy 2 packs if you like a lot of hair. But if you know somebody who can work around the nicks and the corners to leave, I'm not saying the middle of my hair is going to leave out, you know, but I'm just saying if it's not enough, the whole thing of doing crochet when it's not enough, you just do and you just space it out and then it will work. So that's it for this video. I am just going to, I don't want them to trash out, so I'm just going to put them back in their individual packs. And yeah, so that's it for this video. I will leave the link down in the description box where you guys can go ahead and get the information towards purchasing this. I would recommend it because based on what I'm seeing here, it looks fine, and the amount looks fine to me as well. As I said, if you don't like a lot of hair, then it works well. So I'll be sure to attach the link and all the information to purchase it in the description box, as I said before. And in a next vlog, you guys will see how it looks like. I'm not saying the vlog that will come directly after this one, or probably the one that will come after, but you guys will be for sure. I'll be for sure to allow you guys to see how it turns out. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down in the comment section so we can chat. Follow all my social media accounts. The information is below as well in this description box. And if you are not seeing it down in the description box, I'm pretty sure you might see it pass through 1 or 2 times on the screen. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and until then,